Alright, so in this video we're going to go through the color replacement tool. So if you go to your paintbrush, you're going to see there is a color replacement tool right there. And I'm going to select a green. I'm going to try to get like a green that looks a little bit more like this. And the way this works is if I move my middle crosshair over this red, and then I click and move down, it's just going to find that little color range, and then it's going to kind of replace it as we go. So I'm just going to kind of move it across. Try not to get too far over the edge. Usually if I'm doing this, I'll make it a little bit of a smaller paintbrush on this. So I go here, move this across. You can see it's already kind of finding those edges. Okay, get that a little bit, just to try to make it look a little bit more natural color. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and just change this one maybe to this maroon color. Give it a little bit of a darker color than it had before. Again, you can kind of see it goes through, does a pretty good job. It's a nice little handy tool. This is a nice little brush tool that you might use if you don't want to do a total color replacement, just something fast. So you get the rough idea of how that works. Right, and that's how you do it. That's how that color replacement tool works.